drop, then snatch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 2, 3 pound. Tapos pagka-snatch mo, pound place, tapos cross grab. 1, 2, 3 pound. Grab, place, cross grab. Okay, time. Test natin. Slam, ay pound bounce, then cross. Okay, ganito siya. Okay, ate lo, go. Tapos ganito lang ako, bounce. So first na gagawin nating passing, we call this kick out. Ma-improve natin yung accuracy mo. So, since nasa training tayo, wala tayong defender, ito accountability natin. I-kick pass ko, ipabounce ko sa wall, pati sa ground, pero kailangan mag-pass through dito sa hurdle. Kick pass. Nice one. There you go. That's right. There you go. Let's go. There you go. That's one. That's 4. One hand tayo. So itong pasa na to, usually magbibigay mo to pag nagbibigay ka sa mga post. Just make sure papalit sa'yo. Dapat natin. Content tayo. Last two. Tuhon. Here, cross, then pass. Go. Dance na po. Bend. Pero, wow. Pero dribble release lang. Sa foot replacement. Tapos dribble release. Pagka dribble release, hit ka dito. Jump ng right. Attack. Tapos turn push. Pagka dito, shot fake and pass fake. Pass fake.